barely see it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all good, and welcome back to those who have seen part 1. This is part 2. With that being said, let's get started. So for the second look, it says pretty hot, warm, and spicy. Ooh. 1 candy, 2 heat, 3 danger. Let's go ahead and find 1 candy because we're gonna apply candy all over the eyelid. So this is candy right here. I'm gonna get a fluffy brush. I'm gonna go in with the candy. This is a very pretty kind of hollow pink purple. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera. So again, they don't say how much to put on, so if you need to build it up or not. I'm building it up because I really wanted to show. I really want to build this up as much as I can because I really want you guys to see like that pink. It's kind of shimmery but kind of hollow in a way. I think that's good enough. So now I'm going to go in with 2 heat and heat right here. That's heat. And heat goes in the outer corners. So I'm just trying to blend it all, you guys. And I'm going by what the picture says, guys. And I am using my mirror from the ColourPop Cosmetics. This is a cute little combo. Make sure you blend it in. Now, it states that we need to use 3 Danger, and Danger will be the eyeliner. We're going to be using Danger as the eyeliner. I'm going to get my e.l.f. eyeliner brush. Can barely see it. So I'm trying to build it up as much as I can because I really want it to pop up, that it blends in with the rest of the stuff. Pretty hot, warm, and spicy. 1 candy, 2 heat, and 3 danger, which is what I did. So this is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? So I have mixed feelings about this look. I really like the eyeshadow on the eyelid and also like it in the crease. But the eyeliner sort of part, I do not like. It blends right into the look. I think they could have gone with a different color for the eyeliner look, and then it would have blended in really well with everything, like made the whole look complete. So let me know what you guys think down below. Did e.l.f. do a good job by combining these colors as they did? Also, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these, and if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys!